So today we'll start exercise 8.3. Okay. So before starting 8.3, we have to remember 2-3 formula. Number one is simple interest. Okay. The first one is simple interest. So what is the formula for simple interest? P into R into T by 100. And after that we have to find the amount. Amount equals to principal plus simple interest. Here P is equals to principal and R equals to rate, T equals to A equals to amount. So this is the formula for simple interest, right? Next one more is the compound interest. So what is the formula of compound interest? So before finding compound interest, you have to find the amount. Okay, so the formula for amount is P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Okay, this is for what? For annually. This is for compound annually. This is the formula for compound annually. And in case of compound half yearly, it will be 1 plus R by 200 to 2n. This is compound half yearly. Okay, these are the two formula you have to remember. So after finding amount, to find the compound interest, what will do? Compound interest equals to amount minus principal. Okay, amount minus principal. So next we'll start exercise 8.3. So 8.3 question number 1 is given. So our first question is given. Principal is given 10,800, time is for 3 years and rate is 12 1 by 2. So you have to find compound annually. So you have to find the amount and the compound interest, right? So what will do? We know the formula. Formula ki isle? What formula is going? So we'll convert this one first. This will be 2 into 12 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 2%. Okay, sir. So next ki korim ami amount ulam agot. Amount. Compound interest ulwar agot ami ki ulam agot? Amount. So amount or formula ki hai? P 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So here n and t is same thing. Okay, this is same thing, right? Better we write n here, right? N is 3 years. Now we'll put it in the formula. So principal kiman diye ase 1 plus R kiman diye ase 25 by 2. Tolot ki diye ase 100. N is 3. Ki korim? A 2 তলত গুছি আহিব সো কি হলো 1 plus 25 by 200 2 into 100 200 হল এটা আমি ৰিডিউস কৰিব পাৰিম সো যদি ৰিডিউস কৰিব পাৰো হদাই আমি ৰিডিউস কৰি দিম তেতিয়া নাম্বাৰটো সৰু হৈ যাব সৰু হৈ গলে কি হ'ব ইজি হ'ব আমাৰ ক্যালকুলেট কৰিবলৈ সো 25 how many time 8 time okay 25 how many time 8 time so এটা কি হৈ গল 10800 1 plus 1 by 8 to the power 3. So what will do? If you take the LCM, 8 into 1 is 8 plus 1 9. So 9 by 8 হৈ যাব এটো হ'ব না LCM ললে মানে আমি 8 পাম প্লাস আর উপর 8 plus 1 9. So this will become 10800 into 9 by 8 cube হ'ব. So this will become 108 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. That cancel kori paim ne? Kebar jabo? 2d kori sasun. If you cancel by 2, 2 4 is 8 and 2d korile kian hobo? 54. Hol? Ako 2d korile এটো কেনে যাব 2700 right 2700 into 9 by 2 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8 এটো বাকি আছে হয় না ক্যান্সেল কৰি পাৰিম নে আকৌ 2 টো ক্যান্সেল কৰিলে কেন হ'ব 1350 again by 2 this will become 4 this will become 6675 you cannot cancel anymore into 9 into 9 into 9 this will be how much 32 so 675 into 9 cube is how much 729 by 32 so if you multiply and divide how much you will get 492075 by 32 so once you divide how much you will get 15377.34 so this is the amount is this one so what do you have to do now we have to find the compound interest ulabo karone ki korim so compound interest ulabo karone ki korim amount minus principal amount we got 15377.34 minus principal kiman asile iman eto minus kole kian pam 45.34 rupees eta ki korim next we will do question number b so principal is given how much 18000 rate is given 10% time is given 2.5 years so here what we will do so if the time is in such form in mixed fraction so in such cases enko jodi case thake tete ki koim 2 years or karone ami compound interest ulam aro etu half year to karone ami simple interest ulam separately ulabo lagibo to ami ki koim first we will find compound interest for 2 years agot ulam ঠিক আছে তো compound interest ulabo karone ki koim agot promote amount ulabo lagibo so amount for 2 years ulai lam a equals to p 1 plus r by 100 n principal kiman ase 1 plus r kiman hoy 10 by 100 aru n to kiman hoy 2 promote 2 years kan ulam ঠিক আছে এটো ক্যান্সেল করলে কেন হবে 10 হৈ যাব সো এটো কি লিখি পাম 10 in plus 1 11 by 10 হৈ যাব এটো পাওয়ার কি আছে 2 আছে সো এটো কি হবে 1800 আর 0 আছে into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 দুটা 0 ক্যান্সেল হৈ যাব সো 180 into 11 যা কিমান হয় 121 ঠিক আছে এটো মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে কিমান পাম তো কিমান পাম 2178 0 এটা আছে হল এটো হল amount ঠিক আছে তো ইন্টারেস্ট কম্পাউন্ড ইন্টারেস্ট ওলাব লাগিব সো কম্পাউন্ড ইন্টারেস্ট কি হ'ব amount minus principal so amount কিমান আছিল 21780 minus 1800 so to minus করলে কিমান পাম 0873 কিমান রুপিস পাম 3780 এটো হল কম্পাউন্ড ইন্টারেস্ট ঠিক আছে এটো হল কম্পাউন্ড ইন্টারেস্ট এটা আমি কি ওলাব লাগিব হাফ ইয়ারলি তো বাকি থাকিলে না মই ইনিশিয়ালি কিমান ডিপোজিট কৰিছিলো 18000 সো 2 বছৰ পিছত মই ইমান পাম হয় না তো আৰু হাফ ইয়াৰ ৰাখিছো মই সাপোজ তো কি হ'ব প্ৰিন্সিপাল কি হৈ যাব প্ৰিন্সিপাল will become 21780 okay so কি হৈ যাব ইয়াত প্ৰিন্সিপাল হৈ যাব 21780 rate to 10% আৰু time to half year okay So ইয়াত simple interest কি হ'ব simple interest ওলাব লাগিব simple interest formula কি হয় p into r into t by 100 p কিমান আছে 21780 red 10 এটো 1/2 তলত গুছি আহিব ঠিক আছে এনেকৈ লিখি দিও এটো 100 ঠিক আছে এটা কি কৰিম এটা ক্যান্সেল কৰি দিয়া এটো তো তলত আহি যাব 2178 এটো বাকি আছে বা এটো এনেকা কৰিলে হ'ব এটো ক্যান্সেল কৰিলে কিমান পাম 1 0 এটো 8 6 1089 এটো সরি 9 হ'ব 1089 rupees কিমান পাম ইন্টারেস্ট 1089 সো আগত ইন্টারেস্ট কিমান পাইছিলো 3780 পাইছিলো এটা ইন্টারেস্ট কিমান পাইছো 1089 সো টোটাল ইন্টারেস্ট কিমান হ'ব এতিয়া আগত কিমান আছে 3780 plus 1089 so total add কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব 9 8 plus 8 16 7 8 হয় নাই এটো আছে নেকি आंसर আৰু টোটাল এমাউন্ট কিমান হ'ব টোটাল এমাউন্ট আগত এমাউন্ট কিমান পাইছিলো 21780 plus এটা ইন্টারেস্ট হাফ ইয়ারলি কাৰণে ইন্টারেস্ট কিমান পালো 1089 তো 1089 so total principal কিমান হৈ যাব total amount হৈ যাব 98816 7 8 to 22869 so our next question is given principal is given 62500 rate is given 8% and time is given 1/2 1.5 year you have to find in compound half yearly কাৰণে কি আসলে ফর্মুলা amount equals to p 1 plus r by 200 and time is 2 into okay we'll convert this one this will be how much 3/2 year so 2n আসলে so the value kita put koi dia principal kiman 62500 1 plus r kiman ase 8 আৰু তলত আছে 200 2 into এটো কিমান আছে 3/2 2 ক্যান্সেল হৈ যাব হল এটো আমি ৰিডিউস কৰি পাইম নে কিহে কৰিম 4 দিগলে 4 2 যা 4 5 যা হল আকৌ 2 1 যা 2 25 so এটো হৈ যাব 62500 1 plus 1/25 to the power 3 hobo so 62500 into eto multiply kori kian hobo 25 into 1 25 plus 1 26/25 power kian hobo 3 625 into 26/25 into 26/25 into 26/25 cancel kori paim ne eto 25 how many time 25 ja 12625 দুটা 0 আছে লিখি দিম আকৌ 25 দি মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব 25 1 100 হৈ গল আকৌ 25 কিমান যা 4 টাইম সো 4 into 26 into 26 into 26 কিমান হ'ব 7 70304 man so if you multiply we'll get 70304 that is what that is the amount compound interest ulabo karone ki koim amount minus principal so amount hol 70304 minus 62500 so how much we'll get at last compound interest will get 778 so if you subtract this one we'll get 7804 rupees compound interest our next question is question number 2 Kamala borrow 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at the rate of 15% per annum, compound yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clean the loan? 4 months ahi goli kheli meli ho gol na 4 months mane kian hobo? We'll write one by one. So principal kiman di ase 26400. Rate is how much? 15%. Time is given how much? 2 year 4 month. So you have to convert month into year. How to convert? 2 plus 4 month mean 4 by 12. Year convert ho jabo. So if you cancel, this will become how much? 3. So 2 1 by 3 years. 2 years 4 month. ठीक है सर. So if you convert 4 month, it will be 1 by 3. So what we'll do? We'll find compound interest for 2 years first. Amount equals to P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So principal is how much? 26. 1 plus R is how much? 15 by 100. And time is 2 years. Okay. We'll not cancel this one. We'll keep as it is. Fine. So it will be 26400. So to add kori kian pam? Into direct multiply kore 100 plus 15 115 by 100. All এটা কি কৰিম 26400 into 115 by 100 into 115 by 100 20 cancel direct কৰি পাৰিম এটো cancel কৰিলে কিমান পাম 5 if you cancel by 5 you will get 20 and this will be 23. Similarly again if you cancel by 5 4 0 5 to 23. Can you cancel by 4 6 are 24 2 remainder 4 6 are 24. So 66 into 23 into 23 multiply kora kian paba. So if you multiply you will get 34914. So this is the amount you will get after 2 years. Now again you have to find for 4 month. So 4 month if you convert into year it will be 1 by 3. So we'll find interest for 4 month, or you can say 1 by 3 years. Okay. So what will do? Here principal will become what? This will become the principal. Okay. So that is 34914. Rate is how much? 15% and time is 1 by 3. So simple interest formula ki hai? P into R into T by 100. Principal kian hobo? 34914. Rate is 15. Time is 1 by 3 divided by 100. 3 to tolot gusi aibo. So to kill him 34914 into 15 into 1 tolot ki aibo 100 into 3. 3 to tolot gusi aibo. 3 cancel kori kian pam 5 20. So if you divide 34914 divided by 20, how much you will get? 1745.7. This is the simple interest you will get after. This will the simple interest you will get for 4 months. Okay. So to find the amount, what we will do again? Amount equals to principal plus simple interest. I mean simple interest will no. So simple interest jetiya thake amount ulabo karone ami ki korim? Principal plus simple interest. So amount ulabo karone ki korim? Principal plus simple interest. So principal kiman asle 34914 plus simple interest is 1745.7. Add korle kian pam 36659.7. So this is the amount she have to pay after 2 years 4 months. Okay. So and because it is separately dia thake eta to month dia thake but 2.5 years and jodi dia thake ki korim 2 years okane ami ki ulam compound interest ulam aru 4 month karone ba half year karone ami ki korim simple interest ulam. So our next question, Fabina borrow 25,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrow the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compound annually. So Fabina borrowed in simple interest, borrow the money in simple interest, and Radha borrow the money at compound interest. Radha aro Fabina bele bele ki ulabo lagibo, thik ase. So first we'll write for ki asle Fabina. Principal kiman dia 12,500. Rate kiman ha 12%. Time kiman ase 3 years. Okay, to yaar ami ki ulabo lage tai ki hota anche simple interest. So simple interest equals to P into R into T by 100. So principal is how much 12,500, rate is 12 and time is 3. Divide by 100. Cancel kuli kian pam 125 into 12 into 3. So how much simple interest kiman hoboge 4,500. Okay, so simple interest kiman hai 4,500. Now we'll find for Radha. For Radha, principal is same rupees 12,500. Rate is 10%. Our time to kiman 3 years. So to ki korim amount equals to P1 plus R by 100 T. Okay, so principal kiman ase 12,500. 1 plus R kiman 10 by 100. Time to 3. So to cancel kori paim. So this will become 12500 into 11 by 10. Etu hoy jabo. Etu olam ami 12500 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. तो दुटा 0 cancel हो jabo. 5 di kole kian hobo 5 2s are 5 25. So 25 into 11 cube kiman hobo 1331 divide by 2 ase. So to multiply kole kian hobo it will be 33275 divided by 2. So if you divide by 2 you will get 16637.5. This is the amount, right? So compound interest ulabo lagibo. So compound interest ulabo karone ki asle amount minus principal. So amount is 16637.5. Principal kiman asle 1250. So etu hoy jabo 0.5 to 7 etu 3 etu is 1 etu hobo 4 4137.5 rupees. Etia Fabina kiman pay korisile 4,500. Radha will pay how much 4,137.5. So who pay more? So Fabina pay more than Radha by equals to 4,500 minus 4137.5. So minus kole amni kian pam 362.5. Okay, so who pay more? Fabina pay more than Radha by how much? Subtract koi dia, thik ase.